Hello everyone. I have prepared this video for you in a very limited time. However, I quickly prepared this video because I have conducted backtests of the strategy I have prepared for you and found that the profitability rate is high. This time, I made the content a little different. We will try trades wherever the strategy rules apply on a randomly selected part of the chart, and after a few trades, we will see the profit/loss results with our own eyes. Before we begin, I kindly ask you to subscribe if you haven't already and click the like button. Now let's add to free trading view indicators to our chart and adjust their settings. Also, let's change the candlesticks to Heikin Ashi. Let's learn the rules of our trading strategy and enter trades in a price action where all the rules are met in succession. Let's witness profit and loss trades with our own eyes. There seems to be a long position opportunity here. First, the orange line of the chop and tray zone indicator should cross above the pivot line. The super trend line should be green, and concurrently or subsequently, a green Heikin Ashi candle should close above the 200 period moving average line. The conditions have been met. We will open a trade at the closing level of this candlestick. You can place the stop loss level below the entry candlestick if it has high volume, below the previous candlestick, or below the recent swing, depending on your risk tolerance. The risk-reward ratio should be determined based on the trader's preference. We have achieved a successful trade and a nice profit ratio based on our preferred risk-reward level. Now let's continue sequentially on the chart. We can see a short position example here. The orange line of the chop and tray zone indicator has crossed below the blue line. The super trend indicator has turned red, and a red Heikin Ashi candle has closed below the 200 period moving average line. Since all the conditions have been met, we will proceed with a tight stop loss level. As you can see, this trade hit our risk level and ended with a loss. I don't know how the upcoming trades will turn out. I'm sure you have learned the rules. I don't feel the need to repeat them in every trade. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments section. And if you have any ideas to make this strategy stronger, please share them with us. Let's explore ways to win more together. Now, I will try trades wherever the conditions are met, and after a few trades, we will evaluate our results. Yes, friends, as you can see, we have created a strategy that generates high profits and low losses, as you know. No trading model can have 100% successful trades. Our real goal is always to trade with low risk for high returns. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Goodbye.